Did you know Rome once had a teenage emperor who shocked the ancient world by marrying his male slave? Emperor Elagabalus ruled from 218 to 222 CE and turned the imperial palace upside down. At just 14 years old, he held a public wedding ceremony with his slave Hierocles. But here's the twist: Elagabalus called himself the wife in this marriage. He wore women's clothing to official state functions, and reportedly offered doctors massive fortunes to give him female anatomy. The most scandalous part? Ancient sources claim he worked as a prostitute right inside the imperial palace. Roman senators had tolerated mad emperors before: Caligula, Nero, even Commodus. But Elagabalus crossed every line they had. His behavior was so extreme that they assassinated him at just 18 years old. Today, historians debate whether Elagabalus might have been the first recorded transgender ruler in history. A teenager who challenged gender norms 2,000 years before modern society even had words for it.